Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your project and importing media. Open Capcut and add your video clips to the timeline so you can hear edits in context. Next, import the music file from device storage or tap the Capcut audio library. This gives you licensed tracks and effects. Once imported, drag the track onto an audio layer below your video. Make sure the audio length roughly matches the clip so you won't need heavy trimming later. Once the track is on the timeline, zoom in to see the waveform and use split to remove unwanted sections. This is where precise syncing happens. You can drag markers to align beats with cuts and apply fade and slash out to avoid abrupt starts. Make sure to lower the music volume during dialogue using volume controls or automatic ducking, and tweak the equalizer to reduce frequency clashes so vocals remain clear. These steps keep the mix balanced and professional. To finish, export with settings that preserve audio quality. Choose a higher bitrate and 1K HZ or 48K HZ sample rate so the music sounds right on most devices. Once exported, review the final video for sync and clipping and make adjustments if necessary. If you encounter problems like missing audio or distortion, re-import the original music, disable effects to isolate the issue, and replace the track if corruption persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.